Oh yes, it's been really wonderful. In fact, day one there was a lot of learning, and yeah, and day two also it's picking up really well. And servant leadership is a brand new concept for me, and I'm totally loving it, and would like to implement that as soon as possible in my current project and going forward. Yes, it's truly beneficial. Yeah, and
Wonderful.
everybody should go about implementing this at the earliest. Oh yeah, definitely. Yes, it's more so more relevant for even a profit-based organization like UST, and yeah, and everybody should wholeheartedly, the entire industry. In fact, the IT industry, no matter whether it's a profit-based or a non-profit-based, they should imbibe this culture into their work, and yeah, and reap the benefits. Definitely, yeah. Yeah, definitely. At the earliest possible opportunity, I would encourage everybody to go and attend this and make use of it, and then start implementing these, servant leadership values into their current teams and projects, and then take the company to the next level. Yes, definitely. So the moment, I mean, only after they attend such workshops, they'll get to know exactly what servant leadership is all about, and how they can benefit from it. So yeah, I mean, more than me saying it out directly, it's for them to, people to experience it practically, and then take it forward from there. Yes.